There are sins that make us feel like there is no way back. In today's gospel, two disciples fall. Judas betrays Jesus, and Peter denies him. Both of them failed. Both sinned. But their endings were different. Judas looked at his sin and lost hope. Peter looked at Jesus and found hope. That is the difference. Peter cried. Peter felt ashamed, but he did not run away from Jesus. He stayed and allowed himself to be forgiven. My dear brothers and sisters, this is the gospel for us today. Your sin is not the end of your story. Your failure is not your final chapter. What matters is not how many times you fall, but whether you still turn back to Jesus. Because Jesus is not waiting to condemn you. He is waiting to forgive you. So today, do not give up like Judas. Be like Peter. Return, trust again, and then begin again. Because no matter how far you have gone, you can always come back to Jesus. Amen.